Essay on why I want to become a chef. Introduction. I have seen my mother, grandmother cooking every day for us. They never hesitated to cook anything for me and they loved it when I used to ask another chapati. Actually, it was their love which I used to get through food. I used to love watching them and wanted to learn from a very small age. Why I want to be a chef? There are multiple reasons to be a chef for me, and the very first one is I just love cooking. I know it is quite common to cook, but I just love it and it keeps me happy. One should do what makes them happy, and I really like experimenting with new recipes too. Apart from my love for cooking, another most important thing is I am a glutton. Every day I just think about food and what the next that I can try. Sometimes my parents just don't allow me to have street food at that time. My cooking abilities help me and I really want to learn more so that I can cook some 5-star hotels recipes at home. The third reason behind loving this profession is I love serving others. I like to invite people and cooking something they like. It gives me immense pleasure and my love for this profession increases more and more. Conclusion. I love to eat, to serve as well as to cook, which means I am totally suitable for being a chef. So I want to be a chef and I believe that I can really do something extraordinary in this field. Also, do something you love the most. This will help you to love your profession. When someone loves his profession, life seems more meaningful and interesting to them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.